In this video, I'm going to be constructing the crank hook on the screen using a scale of 1:2. So first of all, I'm going to draw my thin long chain line like this. Please make sure you are using thin lines. Then I'll draw my vertical line like this to the long chain line. So now we have said we are using a scale of 1:2, and as we can see, the smaller circle here is having a diameter of 45 millimeter. So it's actually going to be having a diameter of 22.5 based on the fact that we are using 1:2. Now we are going to pick the radius of 11.25 on our compass. So I'm going to draw like this for the smaller circle. I'm going to draw it like this. Then we can see that the bigger circle is having a diameter of 90, but we are using a scale of 1:2. So I'm going to be picking diameter of 45 and the radius is going to be 22.5. So I'm going to pick 22.5 on my ruler like this. 22.5. Then I place it at this particular point here and draw my circle. Now we can see that the length of this up to the down, which is labeled at this side, is 178. So I'm going to be picking 178 divided by 2, which is 89 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 89 millimeter from this particular point here. 89 millimeter. Then I'll mark it at this point like this. So from this point, I'm going to draw another horizontal line, making use of thin long chain like this. So we can see that the radius of this particular place, this inner arc that is here, is actually having a radius of 22.5 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 22.5 millimeter on my compass like this. 22.5 millimeter like this. Then I'll place it at this point here. Then draw my curve like this. Now draw my curve like this. So we have a length of 22 millimeter here, but we are using scale of 1:2, so it's going to be 11 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 11 millimeter on my compass like this. Then mark this point. This is actually 11 millimeter based on the fact that we are using scale of 1:2. So from this point we can see that the radius is 90 millimeter, but we are using a scale of 1:2, so it's going to be 45 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 45 millimeter on my compass like this. 45 millimeter, placing it at this particular point here. I'm going to draw an arc like this. So now first of all, I'm going to be drawing a tangent like this. In a principle of tangency, I'm going to be drawing it from this particular point to this point to meet each other like this. So that is settled. So in order to draw this particular place, we are going to first of all draw this one also to this place like this, from this center here to the tangent of this place. And we can see that this place is having a radius of 32. So in order to draw that, I'm going to be picking 16 millimeter on my compass based on the fact that we are using ratio a 1:2. I'm going to pick 16 millimeter on my compass like this. Then from this particular point I'll mark my 16. Then I'll come to this point also and mark another 16. Then I'll join these two lines together like this. Radius 22.5 plus radius 16, which is the actual length of this place. So I'm going to be picking 22.5 plus 16, which is 38.5. I'm going to pick 38.5 on my compass like this. Then I'm going to place it at this particular point here. Then I mark this point. Now from this particular point that is here, I'm going to be picking 16 on my compass like this. Radius 16 on my compass like this. Then place it at this point here like this. Then draw the arc joining these two together like this. So now we can actually thicken the needed parts out. So now we are going to be drawing this particular curve that is coming like this. So first of all, I'm going to pick my compass, place it at this point using a radius of 22.5 22.5 as we have been shown, although in the diagram it is 45, but because we are using a scale of 1:2, we are going to be using 22.5. I'll mark this point, then placing it at this point also, I'm going to mark here, making use of the same 22.5. Please take note of it, we are making use of the same 22.5. I'm going to mark here. So now after doing that, I'm going to place my compass at this point here for this first one like this, then draw an arc like this, then place my compass at this particular place for this second one and draw an arc like this. So now we are going to be drawing this curve that is actually in this place, and in order to draw the curve, we have been given the curve that the curve is having a radius of 6 mm, which is a very small millimeter, but for this drawing we are going to be using a radius of 3. So in order to do that, we are going to pick our compasses. So this particular curve here actually has an internal tangency and an external tangency. In order to draw the tangency, to draw this particular place here, we are first of all going to be calculating 22.5 plus 3, which is 25.5. So I'll pick my 25.5 on my compass like this, 25.5, then I'll place it at this point here, then strike an arc like this. Then in order to draw the other side, I'm going to pick 22.5 minus 3, which is going to be 19.5. So I'll pick 19.5 on my compass like this, 19.5, placing it at this particular point here. I'm going to strike an arc. So at this point that this arc is meeting, I'm going to measure my 3 millimeter on my compass. I'm going to measure my 3 millimeter, placing it at this point. It is a very small arc, so you have to be very careful. I'm going to join this edge together like this. So this is actually our crank. If you found value in this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and comment your idea in the comment section about this video. And also, if you have recommendation for future videos or any video you want me to talk about, please kindly put it in the comment section. I'll only solve it for you. Thank you for watching.